Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Turtle Beach style of 600 generation till max, and I'm going to show you how to check your frequently asked questions website. So if we are on our app, we have to go into our info button over here, and as you can see we have our frequently asked questions over here. We have to click on our open link button and it will redirect us straight into our Turtle Beach support. And here we have to wait a moment. Now, as you can see, Self 600 generation to Xbox, and here, as you can see, headset not responding, and these are all questions, frequently asked questions. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.